Hey guys, welcome back to Self-Sufficient Mama. I'm going to be sharing with you all how to make your own Gatorade, or we'll call it Electrolyte Replenisher. This Electrolyte Replenisher will do just what it's called. Replenish your electrolytes. It's filled with all good things that your body will love, use, and thank you for. First off, let's talk about why regular electrolyte drinks that you buy from the stores are bad for you. First off, they are all full of sugar. According to the American Heart Association, the upper limit on the daily intake of sugar is 150 calories, which is about 36 grams of sugar for men, and 100 calories for women, which is about 20 grams of sugar for women. One bottle of Gatorade has 38 grams of sugar, which is over the recommended maximum amount for both men and women. And that's just one drink. As if that wasn't enough, sugar actually increases your thirst. Here's why. When the sugar from your food and drinks reaches your blood, the water from your cells move into your bloodstream to dilute the blood to make it less sweet. That's why you feel thirsty. Your body wants you to drink more water to compensate for the water that your cells lost to dilute your blood sugar. Actually, that's why people with poorly controlled diabetes feel thirsty much more often than healthy people. They have much more sugar in their blood, so the water from their cells constantly move out of them to dilute their blood sugar levels. The result is obvious: frequent and significant thirst. Another reason why electrolyte drinks from the store are bad for you is they're full of artificial dyes and colorants, like yellow number 5, yellow number 6, blue number 1, red 40. These are some of the food dyes that most often are used in different Gatorade and other sports drinks. Although these are food dyes that are FD and C approved, they are far from being actually healthy. Yellow number 5 may cause sometimes severe hyperactivity and behavioral problems in children, possibly by promoting the loss of zinc. There's many studies and research on the food dyes and colorants that are used and how they're bad for you. You guys could look that up if you're more interested in that topic. The number one reason why these electrolyte drinks from the store are bad for you is that they have no benefits for you as far as replenishing the electrolytes back into your body. Every day, our body needs minerals such as sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium to replenish itself from what it used the previous day before. When you sweat, your body uses up these minerals even faster. And that's why a good, healthy electrolyte drink is what your body needs to replenish itself. A normal person would have to drink 2.5 to 9 bottles of Gatorade every hour to make up for the lost electrolytes per hour. That's an amount that no one in their sane mind would drink. As if those reasons weren't enough to stop drinking Gatorade or store-bought electrolyte drinks, here's one more reason. Yes, Powerade contains genetically modified organisms. The fact is openly stated on the official website. The matter of safety of genetically modified products still sparks a lot of debates worldwide, and there's no universal opinion on the matter. One thing for sure is GMOs are the farthest from natural as it gets. If you really want to be in charge of what you put into your body, opting for natural drinks for rehydration and electrolyte replenishment is the way to go. Even drinking pure spring water will be a way better option, and even if you go for a slow sugar option, the harmful GMOs will still be there. So here's what you can do instead. Make this yummy electrolyte replenisher drink. Here's how to make it. First, you're going to need 32 ounces or 4 cups of fresh filtered or spring water. You can also use coconut water. Then you're going to need 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of Celtic sea salt or regular sea salt. Celtic sea salt is better. It has 82 minerals in it. Then you're going to need 1/4 to a half a cup of freshly squeezed lemons, oranges, limes, grapefruit. You can use smashed or pureed fruit, whatever your combination you would like. Going to add that to your water and salt. Then you're going to need 1 to 2 tablespoons of your type of sweetener you prefer, maple syrup, honey, molasses, stevia, whatever one you prefer. Go ahead and drop that in. Then you can add whatever else you like. Lemon slices, lime slices, fresh mint, ginger, rosemary, lavender. I'm going to be using mint, but I will put that in after I add ice to mine. Go ahead and stir this up, and you have your homemade Electrolyte Replenisher Drink. You can even add it in cut up strawberries, fruit, whatever you want. And there you go. Your drink is ready to go, and it is super good for you. So if your goal is to lead a life as natural as possible, stick to natural drinks to restore your water and salt balance. There's absolutely no reason to drink these toxic drinks at all. You could simply drink fresh coconut water, herbal teas, or pure spring water. These are pure, rich with minerals, and free of added artificial toxins. Also, regularly drinking freshly extracted vegetable and fruit juices will also ensure that you have a good, constant supply of all the necessary electrolytes your body needs. Let us know what you think and what your favorite drink combination is in the comments below. I wish you all the best of health. Have a fabulous life. Until next time.